Get into it. Get into it. Right now. Right now.
Just see those sleigh bells jingling, ring, ting-a-ting-a-ling. I'm on to lovely weather for a sleigh ride together with you.
Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new for the first time, I'm Rudolf. Thanks for joining me today for day 8 of my SLAYMAS series. I'm uploading a different Christmas look for the 25 days of Christmas. Yes ma'am. Today is Rudolf. If you want to see how I achieved this look, please continue on watching. I'm starting off with my eyebrows using my Goof Proof Brow Pencil from Benefit Cosmetics in a shade 4. And I'm going to start by outlining the bottom of my brows. Then I'm going to outline the top and then shade in the middle. To clean up under my brows, I'm using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Concealer. I forgot what shade this was in, but all of the products will be listed in the description below. And after I'm done cleaning up under my brow, I'm going to blend it out as well. So now I'm going back into that eyebrow pencil and I'm going to outline the shape that I want my deer eyes to be. Well, reindeer eyes to be. Starting out with this dark brown from the BH Cosmetics Ultimate Neutrals palette, I'm going to use this shade to go right on top of that line. This is going to be the line that is going to be the darkest out of all of them. Like, I'm going to create like a shade effect. That sound dumb. I don't know what I'm trying to say. But anyways, I'm going in with my P. Louise base in the shade Rumor 0. And I'm going to place this all on the inside of the deer eye. In that same palette, I'm using this white sparkly color in the corner, and this is what I'm going to use to put on top of that base I just put down. Okay, so once again I'm in the same palette and I'm using this brown, a different brown shade, and this is what I'm going to use to soften out this darker brown shade a little. So now I'm going to add this brown shade from the BH Cosmetics Ultimate Neutrals palette, and I'm going to make that shade that I just put down before this shade softer. Okay, so the foundation for this look, I'm using a Huda Beauty foundation in the shade 440 Cinnamon. And I like using the foundation for my costume looks because it gives me more of that tan look. I know it's darker than my face. But yeah, I'm in my winter shade right now. And yeah, I'm pale as I don't know what. So any extra color needed, I'm going to add it. I'm also adding it on my body, but I'm going to add it like on the outside of my body because in the middle I'm going to add like some white. So now I'm filling in my moneymaker, my nose. Well, not my moneymaker, Rudolf moneymaker. And I'm using the red from the Thin Makeup paint palette. And yeah, after I'm done putting on this paint, I am going to set it with a setting powder too. Right now, I'm adding glue on my nose. The glue that I'm using is the hair gel glue by Erica J. I wouldn't recommend this. It's just all I had at the time. So, and the glitter that I'm using is from the Beats by Deb Cosmetics. It's the red chunky glitter. For concealer, I'm using my Juvia's Place I Am Magic Concealer in the shade 14. And I'm going to be putting this like my regular place. I put concealer like up under my eyes, on my nose, on my chin, and I'm gonna blend that out. I didn't realize how fast I talk until I started doing voiceovers. Well, no, I didn't know how fast I talk, but it's just, I don't know. I was going for a really highlighted look, and I didn't feel like I got that from that concealer that I just used. So I used my Fenty concealer. This concealer is way too light for me, like on a regular day. So I figured that this would give me like a extra oomph of brightness up under my eyes. I really forgot what shade this was, but like I said, all of the products will be listed in the description below. So I still didn't get the highlight that I wanted, so now I'm going in with my Makeup Revolution translucent setting powder, and I'm hoping that this was going to give me like a lighter touch, and it did for the most part. So I'm using the Fenty Beauty bronzer. This bronzer is kind of dark on me on a regular day too. I don't really like Fenty Beauty products. They don't really work that good for me, so I use them a lot when it comes to my costume looks. But I'm just adding this. This is what I'm using the contour with. I wanted like a darker contour because I want like a really dark outer effect. I felt like I was looking a little, I don't know, I just didn't like how dark the other bronzer was looking, so I did go back on top of that and blend it out with my Too Faced chocolate bronzer, and I like the way it came out. So now I'm going into my Juvia's Place Saharian blush palette, and I'm using that towel shade to do my cheek blush. And I'm really going to OD on my cheek blush because why not? Why not have rosy cheeks? And I like to smile when I put my blush on because I really like to focus on the top of my cheekbone. So now I'm going in to add that white detail in the middle of my neck, you know. And yes, I'm using that same white from that paint palette that I've been using the whole entire time. And I'm just going to like do it in the way that I'm doing it, so it won't be hard. I'm trying to do like a soft transition from the white to the brown. So the eyeliner that I'm using is, well, that's the wrong picture. I'm using my NYX Cosmetics eyeliner. And I wasn't going to do a wing because I don't want it to take away from the deer eyes, so I was really just focused on the inner corner of my eye, making that into a point. I don't know what this line is called. Do y'all know what this line is called? If you know what this line is called, let me know in the comments, because I'm just going to call it the line that connects my nose to my top lip. And that line I'm drawing with my eyeliner that I used to do my eyeliner with. Y'all just be sounding so lost when I'm talking. I don't like it for myself. I don't like that for myself. But I'm going back into the BH Cosmetics in that dark brown, and I'm going to put that up under my waterline. The brown pencil that I just went into it wasn't giving me dark. It wasn't giving dark enough at all. And the brown that I used before wasn't giving dark enough at all either. So now I'm going with that black from that Nikita Morph palette, and this gave me more of the shade that I wanted. So I was a little satisfied. So to draw my dots, I'm using my P. Louise base in the shade Rumor 0 and the end of my brush because it was giving me the perfect dots. I know y'all see it. I know y'all see it. to fill in my lips, I'm using that black paint. And on the corner of my lips, I'm going to drag it out a little bit so it can like give it like a mustache type look. Y'all know what I'm talking about? I know what I'm talking about because it does look like a little mustache. Yeah, I see. For the bottom lip, I'm using that peach color, and I'm gonna add that to the. I was about to say, and I'm gonna add it to the bottom lip like I didn't already just say that. Now I'm setting my lips with that setting powder that came with the paint palette. I'm gonna set my top and my bottom so that the two colors won't transfer. Look at this, y'all. And this right here. What? All those reindeers fire. Dash is gonna be mad at me. Rudolph gonna be mad at me because I took the shine. So now let me stop. But for real, this look is lit. Like I done did it again. It's like, alright, I'm for real. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn your post notifications on so you won't miss another beat. And I will see you guys in my next video. Say.
Just see those sleigh bells jingling, ring, tingle, tingling. I'm on, it's a lovely weather for a sleigh ride to